Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Citibank to Gcash. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is have an account. So if you go to citi.com, you'll have to go and log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and open an account. The same will be for the phone. If you have an account, of course, you'll have to go sign in through user ID or touch ID or even face ID if you enable those two options. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to register for an account. And if you don't even have the app, you'll need to go and download it. So for me, as an example, I'm just going to show you here through a demo. It doesn't have all the options, so it might be a little different from you once you logged in, as example, in the online. So it will be a little different than me, but it's all the same. So now how to transfer or money from a Citibank to a Gcash account. So you'll need, first of all, to add the payee. How to add the pay is simply if you go to transfers and payments, you'll find the tab online or in the mobile application. Go to transfers and payments. Then for the mobile, you'll find add a pay right away. For the PC or online, you'll find this as well, which is add a new payee to your list. And here's an example. So here, once you click on add your own payee, you'll basically have to fill up, of course, basically some informations about it. I'm not going to do so. But for you, of course, you'll have to fill up all the informations. For the mobile app, it's going to be the same, basically. Just fill up all the information, then click on add this pay. They will ask you for some confirmations. Make sure to do them. Now, you can simply send money. On the phone, you'll find three options like send money in US or something like that, wire transfer or something like that. So as an example here, in this demo, it's going to be the same. So you can choose domestically or foreign. You'll have to choose from which bank account, as example, if you have many. So as example, for me, I'm choosing check-in. And here you can choose, as example, immediately upon approval, or you can choose on a specific date that you want to send the money. Here you'll have to enter the amount, and here you'll have to enter the bank informations of the beneficiary that you want to send. Of course, you can choose the P that you added before instead of entering those information. And yeah, you can then click, of course, fill up any other information asked, click on continue, and you will be able to transfer from the Citibank account. For the phone, it's going to be basically the same things, same names probably. So you'll just have to do it as well. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.